Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two VPN platforms, which is ProtonVPN and TorGuard. So let's get started with a quick overview. ProtonVPN is a privacy-focused VPN from the team behind the Proton Mail, offering a open source transparency, a strict no-log policy, and a solid security, ideal for users who want a trustworthy, censorship-resistant access to the web. Now, talking about TorGuard on the other side, is a customizable high-performance VPN geared towards powerful users, offering advanced features, strong encryption, and even a dedicated IPS for businesses or streaming, but with a steeper learning curve. I'm talking about the weakness of these two platforms. Talking about the ProtonVPN weakness, it has a paid plan. The paid plan are on the higher end, which is very expensive. The free plan can be slow during a peak time, and the fewer customization option compared to the TorGuard. And here's a quick downside about the TorGuard weakness. It's clunky update interface and no free plan, and also separate cost for extra like streaming IPS, and it is US based, especially for the 5 highest country. Now on the other side, here's a quick conclusion about these two platforms. So choose ProtonVPN if you want a robust privacy, trustworthy audit, and a user-friendly experience backed by strong principles. On the other side, you can also choose TorGuard if you want a power user who need a deep customization and a stream IPS and don't mind a more technical setup. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about these two platforms.